Today we learn birds and their young ones. Let's start a video. Sandpiper. Prip. Sandpiper's young one called Prip.
Yay!
Peacock. Peachix. Peacock's young one called Peachix. Swan. Cygnet. Swan's young ones called cygnet. Parrot. Chick. Parrot's young one called chicks.
Yay!
Crow. Yearling. Crow's young one called yearling.
Yay!
Turkey. Poult. Turkey's young one called poult.
Yay!
Owl. Owlet. Owl's young one's called owlet.
Yay!
Falcon. Peregrine. Falcon's young one called peregrine.
Yay!
Duck. Duckling. Duck's young ones called duckling.
Yay!
Dove. Squab. Dove's young ones is called squab.
Yay!
Sparrow. Chick. Sparrow's young ones is called chick. Eagle. Eaglet. Eagle's young ones is called eaglet. If you like my video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. We will meet our next video. Bye bye.